Frustration. Introduction. Frustration is a psychological state that occurs when a person is unable to satisfy a need, desire, or goal due to the presence of obstacles or barriers. These obstacles may be internal or external, real or perceived. Example: a student who studies well but fails due to illness may feel frustrated. Causes of frustration. Frustration occurs due to blocking of goal-directed behavior. Causes are broadly divided into 1. External causes. Poverty and financial problems. Poverty limits access to basic needs, education, healthcare, and opportunities. When a person works hard but still cannot improve their living condition due to lack of money, their goals remain unfulfilled, leading to feelings of helplessness and frustration. Example: a student unable to continue studies due to financial constraints. Failure in examination. Examinations are often linked to career goals and self-esteem. Repeated failure despite effort creates a sense of incompetence and disappointment, causing frustration because the individual's academic or professional goals are blocked. Family conflicts. Family provides emotional support and security. Continuous conflicts such as parental pressure, lack of understanding, or domestic violence disturb emotional balance. When personal needs like love, acceptance, and peace are unmet, frustration develops. Social restrictions. Social norms, customs, gender roles, or cultural barriers may restrict freedom and choices. When individuals are prevented from acting according to their interests, their aspirations remain blocked, resulting in frustration. Illness or disability. When health becomes a barrier to normal functioning, individuals feel dependent and powerless, leading to frustration. Lack of opportunities. Even capable individuals may face frustration when employment, education, or growth opportunities are unavailable. 2. Internal causes. Low intelligence. When individuals fail repeatedly due to poor performance, they experience frustration as their goals remain unattainable. Lack of motivation. Motivation drives goal-directed behavior. Without motivation, individuals do not put in adequate effort, leading to incomplete tasks and failure, which in turn causes frustration. Poor self-confidence. People with low self-confidence doubt their abilities and fear failure. This leads to avoidance of challenges and missed opportunities, causing frustration due to unrealized potential. Emotional instability. Emotionally unstable individuals overreact to stress and minor failures. They are unable to cope with obstacles effectively, leading to frequent feelings of disappointment, anger, and frustration. Unrealistic goals. Setting goals beyond one's ability or resources increases the chance of failure. When expectations are too high and outcomes are not achieved, individuals experience chronic frustration and dissatisfaction. Types of frustration. 1. Environmental frustration due to external conditions, example, job loss. 2. Personal frustration due to personal limitations, example, fear, anxiety. 3. Conflict-related frustration when one cannot choose between alternatives. Reactions to frustration. People react to frustration in different ways. 1. Aggression, anger, violence, irritability. 2. Regression, childish behavior. 3. Withdrawal, isolation, daydreaming. 5. Depression, sadness, hopelessness. Effects of frustration. Emotional disturbance. Anxiety and stress. Anxiety and stress. Psychosomatic illness. Psycho Psychos measures to overcome frustration. 1. Set realistic and achievable goals. 2. Develop problem-solving skills. 3. Improve self-awareness and self-control. 4. Practice relaxation techniques, yoga, meditation. 6. Accept failures as part of life. Conclusion: frustration is a common emotional experience, but when not handled properly, it may lead to serious mental health problems. Proper coping strategies help in maintaining emotional balance.